Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the Instr in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video of Yardbirds 68. This is the signed edition that came from Jimmy Page's website. 450 pounds with shipping came out to right around $600 US. But yeah, let's have a look. It's kind of interesting that they sealed it after it was signed. So there is the signature, which is on the back of the cover, which is the stupidest thing I've ever seen. But yeah, on the back of the cover, and it actually looks like it's in a black paint pen, which, if you can look here, it's actually already starting to chip. We've got a little miniaturized digital version of it. Book's fairly nice. Let's see what we got inside here. Kind of CDs in a white sleeve. Yeah, so that's the digital version there. Looks like, yeah, we've got the same book, LP size. So an interesting choice. You're going to get an LP book and a CD book just miniaturized. I guess nothing special other than you get both versions. There's the vinyl. Somewhat flat, no marks. That one's flat and clean. But yeah, this is all the money. The jacket that comes autographed on the back. Let's get a close-up on that. All right, I'm Mike for the Instr. Until next time.